What's up guys? I bet you are like me trying to spread your crypto portfolio nice and wide before alt-season hits. And I'm sure you are eyeing those top crypto projects as a must-have in your investment game plan. Today we are going to deep dive into the FLOKI ecosystem. Let's break down what these guys are all about, what they've achieved, and whether it's worth throwing some investment their way. First things first, FLOKI is known as the people's crypto, and for good reason. Right now they are crushing it with over 490,000 holders worldwide. But here's the thing, FLOKI isn't just another token. It's this whole massive ecosystem with tons of different angles. We are talking metaverse, a trading bot that's straight fire, an education platform, and even a marketplace for NFTs and merch. So yeah, there is plenty to sink your teeth into here. Let's kick things off with one of the coolest tools FLOKI is bringing to the table. I'm talking about their trading bot. Check this out, their bot lets you manage your wallet right through Telegram. No more messing with complicated exchange interfaces, just slide into the chat and you are good to go. This bad boy works with Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and they just dropped Solana support too. You can buy and sell tokens with just a couple taps. No lag, no transaction headaches, just smooth sailing. If you've ever tried to catch the perfect price on an exchange, you know how clutch this is. Plus, they've got this sweet point system for trading. Stack these points up and you can use them in future competitions. Pretty dope, right? But wait, there is more. FLOKI is not playing around with promoting their bot. They just dropped this massive marketing campaign with GoingGecko to show millions of users what their trading bot can do. Like, seriously, they're not messing around. Now let's hop over to another part of FLOKI's world, their Valhalla metaverse. We're talking full of MMORPG with blockchain under the hood. Picture this, you are exploring this wild world based on Norse mythology, taming these creatures called bears, and throwing down in hexagonal arenas. The whole thing looks insane, and the best part? The game's economy is totally in the player's hands. The real kicker is this tactical turn-based combat system that makes you actually think about your moves. Wow. This ain't just your regular button mashing game. You need skills and smarts to crush it. You've got to really get to know your various abilities if you want to come out on top with your own battle strategies. Throw in multiplayer and an open world and you've got something that'll keep you hooked for hours. Right now Valhalla is in testnet, but here's the big news, it's hitting mainnet in Q1 2025. The dev team's saying this is gonna completely flip the play-to-earn game on its head. By the way, you gotta peep their game trailer. It's up on their site right now. And listen, this isn't just some play and forget deal. Valhalla is sitting on a game treasury of over $40 million. Yeah, those numbers are wild, but they are dreaming big with this one. As we speak guys, the devs are cranking out updates and patches, dropping new features, and making the gameplay even smoother. And yo, we can't sleep on TokenFi. This is another absolute banger from FLOKI. It lets you mint tokens and tokenize real-world assets with just a few clicks. It's so dummy-proof, you don't even need to know any code. Just imagine, you're chilling on your couch and boom, you can create your own token or tokenize something like real estate just like that.
Mild shock.
Why is this such a big deal? Because the real-world asset tokenization game is projected to hit $16 trillion by 2030. And TokenFi is in prime position to grab a piece of that massive pie. But that's not all guys, they've already locked down partnerships with a ton of major exchanges. They just landed their token on Kraken too, which is huge. And get this, TokenFi's got this whole suite of tools from token generation to using AI for smart contract audits. That's what makes them one of the most versatile platforms out there. They're going hard in multiple lanes: crypto education, gaming tech, and DeFi. And here's the real kicker. The team's going all out to make sure anyone can jump in and use their products. No crypto PhD so far, guys. Take the University of FLOKI for example. It's this sweet learning platform that breaks down all the crypto and blockchain basics. Perfect if you are just dipping your toes into the digital asset game. And then there is FLOKI Places, this marketplace where you can buy and sell NFTs, bringing together the creative vibes with the tech side. Real talk, now's the time to keep your eyes on this project, guys. All the links and juicy details are waiting for you down in the description. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Let's talk about it. And you know the drill, smash that like button and hit subscribe. Catch you in the next video.